Bonjour à toutes et à tous.
Good morning,
Pardon
ladies and
de
gentlemen,
ne
and
pas
sorry
pouvoir être
for
parmi
not
vous, mais
being
des
with
obligations
you,
familiales
but I've been
impératives me
held up
retiennent
in
à Paris.
Paris for compelling family
Je vais
reasons.
essayer de
I
plaider
will
devant
try
vous pour
before
les
you
causes
to
communes,
make a
nos
case for
causes
common
communes,
causes
les causes
or
communes
common
de
causes,
l'égalité,
the common causes of
de l'égalité
equality,
des droits,
of equal
l'égalité
rights,
des possibles,
of equal
sans
opportunities,
distinction d'origine,
regardless of
d'apparence, de
origins,
croyance.
appearances,
Ce chemin
or
où l'on
beliefs.
se retrouve
This path where
autour
one
d'un agenda
gathers
commun,
around a common
là
agenda,
où on vit, là
where
où
we
on
live,
travaille,
where we
là
work,
où l'on habite.
where we have our residence.
Les causes communes de
The common
l'égalité, c'est
causes
ce
of
chemin vers
equality,
l'autre
it's this
où l'on
path
trouve
towards the
sa
other,
propre humanité.
where one finds one's
C'est
humanity.
cette façon de
It's a way
tendre la
of
main.
reaching out to the other.
C'est ce que j'ai fait,
And that
évidemment,
is exactly what
avec
I've
le
done,
livre qui me
obviously
vaut
with this
l'invitation
book,
de Tariq
for which
Ramadan.
I've been
Ce
invited
livre
by
aussi,
Tariq Ramadan,
pour
this
les
very
musulmans,
book. The title of
qui
this
est
book
précédé
is
aujourd'hui
for
d'un
Muslims.
texte écrit
It now
après
includes a
les
foreword
attentats tragiques
after
des
the
7, 8 et
tragic
9 janvier à
attacks
Paris.
of the 7th,
Contre les
8th
amalgames,
and 9th of
dit le
January
bandeau.
in Paris.
Ce livre pourrait
Against
s'intituler aussi
generalization,
bien
says the banner.
pour la France.
This book
pour
might
les
as well have
minorités.
been called for France,
Ce n'est pas un
for
livre sur
minorities.
l'islam.
Mind
Ce n'est
you,
pas un
this
livre
is not a
sur
book on
les
Islam.
musulmans.
This is not a
C'est
book
justement tout le
on
contraire
Muslim
d'un livre
people. It
qui
is
assigne,
just the opposite
qui
of a book
essentialise,
that summons,
qui
that
stigmatise en
essentializes,
unifiant
that
en bloc
stigmatizes
une humanité
by reducing
diverse,
to one
plurielle,
block a
faite
humanity
d'individus
that is diverse, plural,
ont toutes
made up
sortes de
of
chemins
individuals
pour se
who
dire
have traveled all
peu ou
sorts
prou
of paths
musulmans.
to call
Musulmans
themselves
de croyance,
Muslims.
musulmans
Muslims
de
by
culture,
creed,
musulmans
Muslims
parce que
because of one's
c'est
culture,
l'origine,
Muslims
le pays
because
d'où ils
this is
viennent,
the origin,
la
the
famille
country one comes
qui
from,
les a vus naître,
the
ainsi
family
de suite.
where they were born.
Mon livre est un
This
plaidoyer
book
contre la guerre
is my
des
way
identités.
of arguing
Où
against
qu'elle se
the
trouve.
war of
Évidemment,
identities,
d'abord
wherever
en France,
it is.
puisque c'est là que
Obviously,
j'habite, c'est là
first
que je
in
vis, c'est là
France,
que je travaille.
insofar
Mais
as
c'est un
this
message
is where I have
qui
my
dépasse
residence,
les
this is where
frontières
I live,
de
this
mon
is where
pays.
I work.
Je
But
cite
this is a message that goes well
un
beyond the
passage qui
borders.
résumera,
I want to quote
je
from
crois,
my
le
book,
mieux le propos
and
pour les
I
musulmans.
hope you'll get a good idea of what is
Sous
the
toutes
gist
les
of it.
latitudes,
I
le
quote,
sort fait
all
aux
over the globe,
minorités
the way
dit
minorities
l'état
are
moral d'une
handled
société.
is indicative of the moral
Aussi
state of a
ai-je écrit
society.
ce pour les
That's
musulmans de
why
France,
I've written
en
this
ne
book
doutant pas
for
qu'ailleurs,
Muslims of
dans des
France,
pays où la culture
with the
musulmane
certainty
domine,
that
d'autres
elsewhere,
pour
in other
s'écrivent
countries where the
en
Muslim
défense
culture
d'autres
prevails,
minorités,
other books
chrétiennes,
like this one will be
juives,
written
agnostiques,
in defense of
animistes,
other
sans
minorities,
religion,
be they
non
Christian,
croyants,
Jewish,
voire
agnostic,
issus de
animist,
l'islam
devoid of
lui-même,
religion,
des
non-believers,
sunnites prenant
or
le
even
parti
a
des
minority
chiites
from
et
Islam,
inversement.
Sunnis
Au-delà
taking
de mon
sides
pays,
with Shias, and
j'écris donc
conversely.
contre cette guerre
Beyond
des
my
mondes
country,
dans laquelle on
I
veut
write
entraîner des
against
peuples
the war of the
en
worlds,
fabriquant des
in
haines
which people
identitaires,
can be dragged
dont la religion
by
est la
stirring
limite.
up hatred of
Mais je suis en
identities,
France,
using religion as
j'y
an
vis,
alibi.
j'y
But I'm in
travaille.
France. This
Et
is where
c'est
I
ici
live.
même
This
que
is
pour
where
nous
I work.
se joue
And
ce
this
sursaut de
is where
conscience.
there should be a
Jamais,
burst of
jamais.
conscience.
Les crimes commis
The
par de
crime
prétendus
by
musulmans
so-called
ayant
Muslims
eux-mêmes
who have
sombré
been
dans ces guerres
engulfed
sans
in
fin
this endless
ne
war
justifieront
is
qu'en
no
retour
excuse
nous
for, in
persécutions les
return,
musulmans de France.
persecuting the
Jamais
Muslims
des
of
dérives
France.
individuelles ou des
It's not
conflits
because
lointains
of individual
n'autoriseront que dans
abuses
notre
or
pays
distant
on en vienne à
conflicts
assimiler
that
en
our
bloc
country
des hommes,
will start
des femmes
equating
et
in
des
one
enfants
sweep
à un
men,
péril qui
women, and
menacerait
children
l'intégrité,
to a danger
voire la
that would
pureté de notre
threaten
communauté
the
nationale
integrity or even
au
the
prétexte de leur
purity
foi,
of our
de leur
national
croyance,
community
de
on
leur
the
religion,
pretext that they
de
have a
leur
different
origine,
faith,
de leur
belief,
culture, de leur
religion,
appartenance ou
origin,
de leur apparence.
culture, community,
Jamais
or
les
appearance.
désordres du monde
International
ne seraient
disturbances
excusés.
will
Nous
never
l'oublions.
be an excuse for letting the world
Si
fall
je fais cette
into
longue
oblivion.
citation
End
de
of
pour les
quote.
musulmans,
If I wanted to
c'est
quote
pour
from
qu'il
my
n'y ait
book,
pas de malentendus.
it's because I wanted no misunderstanding.
Si tous ceux qui
If all
se
those
sont retrouvés
who
autour de ce
gathered
livre dans
around
la
this book
diversité de
in
leurs
the
appartenances
diversity of their
se disent
community
simplement
say to
tiens,
themselves,
avec Edoui
well,
Plenel,
with Edoui
nous avons
Plenel,
un nouvel
we've
ami,
got a new friend,
un ami rare,
a rare
un
friend,
ami
because
car il en manque.
we are so short of them.
Eh bien,
Well,
dans ce cas-là,
in that case,
mon message n'aura pas
my
été entendu.
message will not have been
Car
heard.
ce livre est aussi un
Because
appel
this book
à
is
tous
also a
les
plea.
musulmans
A
de France
plea
et d'Europe
to
dans leur
all
diversité,
Muslims of
dans
France
leur
and of
pluralité,
Europe in their
dans leur
diversity, in their
à ne
plurality. It's a plea
simplement
not to
chercher
simply
ce qui est en
look
miroir,
for a mirror,
ce qui leur ressemble,
not to look
ceux
for
qui
people
pensent
who look
ou
like
ressentent
them,
pareil.
not to look for people
À ne
who
pas
think or feel like
prendre
them.
ce
A
mauvais
plea
chemin
not to take
est
the wrong
l'envers
path, which is the
de la
very
politique
opposite
au sens
of
du bien
politics
commun,
and its sense of
qui
community,
est le renoncement,
which would be like
à une véritable
foregoing one's
citoyenneté,
true citizenship,
qui est donc le
which is
chemin de la
the direct way
victimisation.
to victimization.
Ce chemin où, à
A
force
path
de macérer
where, alone,
ces
with
humiliations, ces
dark
blessures,
thoughts about one's humiliations and
on en
injuries,
vient à
one
épouser
ends up espousing
renoncement qui a
that
pour nom le
renunciation
ressentiment.
we call resentment.
Et le ressentiment
And as you know,
peut, vous le savez,
resentment
conduire à des
may
chemins
lead
de
to a
perdition
road of perdition,
qui peuvent,
which,
loin
far
d'être
from
des
being a
chemins de
path
liberté,
towards freedom,
des chemins
may be a deeply
profondément
totalitarian
totalitaires,
path,
de renoncement
leading
au bien
towards
commun.
the renunciation of
haine
the
de
greater
l'autre.
good,
Et donc,
leading towards the
mon plaidoyer,
hatred for the other.
c'est de dire
And so my plea
à vous tous
is to tell you
et à
and to
tous
tell
les musulmans
all
de mon pays,
the Muslims of my
dans leur
country,
diversité, je le
in
répète,
the
de culture, de
diversity
croyance,
of their
d'origine,
culture, belief
qu'ils
and
ont
origin,
rendez-vous avec leur
that they have a
citoyenneté.
date with their
Mon plaidoyer,
citizenship.
c'est pour qu'ils
My
puissent
plea
être
is for them
tout simplement
simply to be
français
French
et
and
musulmans,
Muslim,
musulmans
Muslim
et
and
français.
French,
Pas l'un sans
not
l'autre,
one without the
pas l'un
other,
contre
not
l'autre,
one
pas
against
l'un
the
au-dessus
other,
de l'autre,
not
pas
one
l'un malgré
above
l'autre.
the other, not one despite
Qu'ils aient
the other.
Cette
That they take
fierté
pride from
d'une
a
citoyenneté
citizenship
assumée dans la
that they can
pluralité
exercise
de leur
in
identité,
the diversity of their
de la même
identity,
manière
just like we
que nous
achieved
l'avons
it
obtenu
for our
en Europe
fellow
pour nos
citizens
compatriotes
of
de culture, de
Jewish
croyance,
culture,
d'origine
faith,
juive.
or origin,
Sous le poids
under the weight
de la mémoire
of
du crime des
the
crimes, du
memory
crime de
of the
génocide,
crime of
du crime
crimes, of the
contre
crime
l'humanité,
of genocide,
de
of the crime
ce
against
que l'on nomme
humanity,
depuis la Shoah,
of the
nous avons
Holocaust.
obtenu
We have managed
que nos
for
compatriotes
our
juifs puissent
Jewish
avoir
fellow
cette fierté-là.
citizens to share
Être
this
juif et
pride,
français,
being Jew
pas l'un sans
and
l'autre,
French,
pas l'un
not
contre
one
l'autre,
without
pas
the
l'un
other,
malgré
not one against the other,
Je ne fais
not
que
one
réclamer
despite the other.
la même
I'm only
égalité
asking
pour
for
nos
the same
compatriotes
equality
musulmans comme
for
toute
Muslim countrymen,
minorité de
like for
culture ou de
every
croyance.
minority of culture or belief.
L'islam
Islam
appartient à la France.
belongs to France.
L'islam
Islam
appartient à
belongs to Europe.
L'islam, a dit
Islam,
Angela
like
Merkel,
Angela
appartient
Merkel
à
said,
l'Allemagne, et
belongs
je
to
ne fais
Germany,
ici que
and I
l'imiter.
simply follow suit.
Comme toutes sortes
Like
de
any
croyances,
kind of faith,
comme tous les
like
monothéismes,
all
et
kinds of
comme aussi
monotheisms,
les traditions
and
culturelles
like
de
also
non-croyance,
the cultural
d'athéisme.
traditions of no
Elle fait partie
religion,
de
no
l'histoire diverse,
belief.
plurielle,
It is
qui a
part
construit
of the
notre
diverse
continent,
and plural history
l'Europe.
which built our
s'en
continent,
rendre
which
compte,
built Europe.
contre ceux qui
To
voudraient
realize it
toujours
against
essentialiser
those who
dans
keep
une
on
guerre des
essentializing in a
civilisations,
war
dans une guerre
of
des mondes,
civilizations,
dans une guerre
in
des
a war
religions
of
sans
the
fin,
world, in an
où l'on
endless
s'enferme dans une
war
identité
of
qui
religions,
pousse l'autre
where
à
one
s'enfermer dans
clings
sa
to an
propre
identity that forces the other to shut
Pour le
himself
dire,
up
pour
in his own
l'affirmer,
identity.
il suffit
One
de se
simply
souvenir
has to
des victimes
remember
des attentats
the
de Paris
victims
des 7,
of
8 et
the
9
Paris
janvier,
attacks on
auxquels
the
il faut
7th,
évidemment,
8th and 9th
ils
of
ont payé leur
January.
crime de leur vie.
We should also
Ajouter,
add, since
parce
they've
que
paid
ce
for
sont
their
aussi
crime
des
with
enfants
their
de nos
life,
sociétés, des enfants
because
perdus,
they are children
les
of our
trois
societies,
assassins,
lost
les trois
children,
terroristes.
the three
Mais ces
killers,
17
the three
victimes,
terrorists. But these 17
celles
victims,
de
the ones
l'attentat
of the
totalitaire
totalitarian
contre un journal,
attack against
contre
a
des
weekly
journalistes,
paper,
contre des
against the
dessinateurs,
journalists,
contre des
against the
caricaturistes, parce qu'ils
cartoonists,
dessinaient,
because they were
parce que
drawing,
leurs opinions
because their
dérangeaient.
opinion bothered
Celle de
other
l'autre
people,
crime totalitaire,
and the victims of
après
the
Charlie
other
Hebdo à
totalitarian
Hyper Cacher,
crime after Charlie
contre
Hebdo at the kosher
des hommes, des femmes,
supermarket,
parce qu'ils
against men,
étaient nés,
women, simply
parce
because
qu'ils avaient
they had
une
been
identité
born
juive.
because they had
Ces
a
deux
Jewish
crimes
identity.
pour moi,
These two
dans la
crimes,
culture
for
européenne
me,
de type
in
fasciste,
the
la
European
haine
culture
des
with
idées,
a fascist
la haine
tendency,
de l'autre,
the hatred of ideas, the
ont
hatred for
tué
the other,
17 personnes. Et
have
ces
killed
17 personnes,
17
pour moi,
people.
sont la France.
But these
Sont
17
la France
people
telle
for
qu'elle
me
est,
are
telle
France,
qu'elle vit,
my
telle
country,
qu'elle travaille,
France
dans
as
sa
it is,
richesse, dans
as
sa
it lives,
pluralité,
as it
dans ses
works,
causes communes,
in its
justement.
diversity, in its
Il y
common
avait
causes.
Des gens nés
There were
chrétiens,
among
baptisés,
them
et
people
qui
who were born
croyaient ou
Christian,
ne
who
croyaient
had been
plus.
baptized,
Il y
who
avait
believed, who no longer
des athées
believed.
qui
There were
n'avaient aucune
non-believers who
Il
had
y
no
avait
faith.
des juifs
There were Jews
qui allaient faire leurs
who had
courses
gone
avant
shopping
le jour sacré
before
du
the
Shabbat.
holiday of
Mais il y
Shabbat.
avait aussi
But there
des
were
musulmans.
also Muslims.
À Charlie Hebdo,
At Charlie
est mort
Hebdo,
un
among
gardien
the
de la
casualties,
langue- de la
there was a
langue
guardian
française.
of the French
Le
language,
correcteur
the
de Charlie
proofreader
Hebdo,
of
celui
Charlie
qui
Hebdo,
veillait
the
au
one
style,
who paid
Mustapha
attention to the
Ourad,
style. His name
Algérien
was
de
Mustafa
nationalité
Hourad.
jusqu'à
He
il y a
was
un an,
an
où il
Algerian
avait
by
obtenu la
nationality
nationalité
until 1 year
française.
ago when he
De
was
culture
granted French
musulmane.
citizenship.
À Charlie Hebdo,
At Charlie Hebdo,
sur le
on
chemin
their way out,
de sortie, de fuite des
while
terroristes,
they were
est mort également
fleeing,
un
the
gardien de la
terrorists
paix,
also
de la paix
killed
française,
a
un
French
policier
peacekeeper,
protecteur
a
de la
policeman,
République,
a protector
Ahmed
of the
Merabet,
Republic. His name was
musulman
Hamed
de foi,
Merabet.
de
He was a
croyance.
Muslim
Et lors
by
de ses
faith,
obsèques,
by
le samedi
creed.
suivant,
And at his funeral,
sa famille,
the following
ses
Saturday,
sœurs,
his
sa mère
family,
l'ont
his
accompagné
mother,
pour
his
certaines
sisters
en portant
went with
le
him,
foulard qui
while
affirme
for
leur
some of them
croyance.
wearing the
Il y eut non
headscarf
seulement,
as a
et
way
je
to
les
assert their
souligne
faith.
sans les distinguer
There
des
were
autres,
not only,
ces
and I
deux
emphasize them
musulmans
without
dans
distinguishing them,
les victimes de
these two
croyances, de culture,
Muslims
mais il y eut
among
aussi pendant ces
the
3 jours
victims,
tragiques,
but
un
during
héros,
those
un
3
héros
tragic
positif.
days, there was a hero,
Lassana
a
Bati,
positive hero,
ce jeune
Lassana
Malien,
Bati,
noir
this
de
young
peau,
Malian, a
musulman de
dark-skinned
croyance, arrivé
young
en France
man,
sans papier,
Muslim
dans
by
le mouvement
creed,
où
who
font
came to
chemin
France
les peuples,
without
dans
documents,
cette
in
Europe
the
qui est
movement
aussi,
where the peoples of the
s'agissant de la
world
France,
walk.
un pays
In
fait
this
de
Europe,
migration,
which,
fait du
like
monde et de
France,
sa
is a
diversité.
country made up
Eh
of
bien, Lassana
migration,
Bathily
made up
s'est
of the
employé
world
de
and its
l'hypercachère,
diversity.
qui
Well,
très humblement,
Lassana
très
Bathily, the
naturellement,
worker
en
at
disant,
the
nous sommes
kosher
tous frères,
supermarket,
a sauvé
in a
des
very
otages,
humble way, while
et qui,
saying, we are
ainsi,
all
a
brothers,
conquis
rescued
par son geste
hostages.
héroïque cette
And through his
nationalité
act
française
of
qu'on lui
heroism,
refusait,
won
devenant
the
binational,
citizenship, the French
malien et
citizenship he
français.
had been
Eh bien
denied,
oui,
and was
il est
granted the
lui
dual
aussi
citizenship,
musulman.
Malian and
C'est cela, la
French.
France.
Well, he
Et
is
c'est cette
also
France
Muslim.
arc-en-ciel,
This is what France is about.
pluraliste,
It is
diverse,
that
que
rainbow
pour ma part,
nation,
je brandis.
that
Mais
pluralistic
mieux
and
encore,
diverse society
c'est
that I
cela,
wish to
au
parade.
sens
But
historique
more
du terme,
important, this
le
is
vrai
exactly,
message de la
in the
laïcité à la
historical
française
meaning
en
of the word,
1905,
the true
tel qu'elle fut
message
élaborée
of
par des
secularism
républicains
in the
ouverts
French
au
style
monde.
in
Ce n'est pas la
1905
haine
as
des
it was
religions.
developed by
Ce n'est pas la
Republicans
guerre
open to the
contre ceux
world.
qui croient.
It
l'idée d'un
is not
chemin
hatred
commun
towards
que l'on croit au
religions. It is
ciel
not
ou que
the
l'on
war
n'y croit pas,
against
où
those
l'on
who
se
believe.
retrouve,
It's a
où l'on
common
se
path
respecte,
we tread
où l'on
upon,
apprend
whether
les uns
one
des
believes in
autres.
God,
Le chemin
a
de
path where one
laïcisation,
finds
c'est
each
celui
other, where
où
one
l'on
has
ne
respect
demande
for
pas
each other, where one has respect for
à une
himself,
personne
where one learns
d'abandonner
from each
ce
other.
qu'elle a en
The
propre,
path
sa
towards
croyance, pour
secularization
inventer
is
ses
one
causes communes,
where one is
dans
not
lesquelles
expected
se font
to
les vrais
relinquish
déplacements,
his
les vraies
specificities,
émancipations,
his
les vraies
faith, to
constructions d'un
invent
avenir
these
commun.
common causes in which the real
Tel est le
journey
sens
takes place.
de Pour les musulmans et de mon
This
propos
is the
devant vous.
meaning of
Un
my
plaidoyer
book
contre la guerre des
and
identités,
of what I
où qu'elle
say
se
before
trouve,
you.
où qu'elle nous
This is a
entraîne,
plea
dans
against
quelque
the war
gouffre
of
qu'elle nous
identities,
entraîne.
wherever it
Un
is, wherever
plaidoyer
it
contre
brings
la
us,
guerre des
whatever the
identités
abyss
et
it
pour
brings us
le
into.
sursaut
A
des
plea
égalités.
against the war of
Et de ce point de
identities
vue,
in favor
nous
of a
avons
burst
besoin
of equalities.
de la
And from this
vitalité,
point of view, we have an
de la
absolute
hauteur,
need for
de la
vitality,
renaissance
for the
d'un
elevation,
islam
for the
d'Europe,
revival of a
d'un
European
qui,
Islam. An
s'appuyant
Islam that
sur
grounds
sa
itself
croyance,
on its
dans la diversité
belief
que recouvre ce
in
mot
the
islam, de
diversity
l'Asie
that
à
is
l'Amérique et
included
sur
in
toutes
the
les terres
word
du monde, où il n'a
Islam
pas
from
qu'un
Asia
visage,
to America and all
s'affirme en
across the
Europe
world. It doesn't have
comme
one face
un
only.
islam
An
de
Islam
liberté,
that establishes
c'est-à-dire
itself in Europe as an Islam of freedoms.
défenseur,
That is to say,
promoteur
respectful.
d'un
That is to say, a defender, a
société
promoter
elle-même,
of pluralism
pluralisme
in
qu'il défend à
society.
partir
A pluralism
justement de son
it
expérience
defends
de la
from
stigmatisation
its experience of stigmatization and persecution. An Islam based on brotherhood. And brotherhood, you know, doesn't only mean walking the way towards someone like us, someone who looks like us, someone we'll find comfort in. Brotherhood means reaching out to people who are different, people who upset us, who challenge us, who don't fight the same struggle, who are not like-minded. An Islam of equality. An Islam which doesn't consider gender equality to be contrary to its belief, which doesn't consider equality among all human beings contrary to its belief. Along the path, that doesn't mean that we are all the same, quite the contrary. We are rich in our diversity, but together we travel the path towards the common causes of equal rights and opportunities. Finally, I'm also making this plea for an Islam based on solidarity, because for me, and that is what I want to tell you, we should always learn from each other, and first and foremost from minorities. Democracy is not the law of the majority. Of course we need votes, but a living democracy does not simply mean I vote, the majority has decided, and afterwards I can go to sleep. A living democracy is one that cares for its minorities, and very often it's the minorities that have the less to lose. It's the minorities who invent the most, who are the boldest, who are not afraid of traveling unknown paths. And this is what the French secularity in 1905, unfortunately forgetting Muslims, who at that time were in the French colonial empire, but who have been forgotten in this law. But this law was about the recognition of minority faith. It provided for a recognition. It put Protestantism and Judaism on an equal footing compared to Catholicism. It suggested a common path, a common bond, which doesn't bring any hierarchy among religions, civilizations, cultures, or nations. This is the path that I advocate, and I remain convinced that for many of you, this is also the path you want to take. The one of those who know that we need a debate on pluralism in Islam, that we need a debate on critical minds that undermine dogmatisms, sectarianisms, and even totalitarianisms, which unduly claim they follow the Islam. The path that other monotheisms have had to travel. For example, the Catholics against the Inquisition, against the persecution of European Jews, against the backdrop of anti-Jewishness on the part of Christian people. And from this point of view, the solidarities, the equalities, the freedoms are not divisible. They don't have any borders, nor do they have a nation or a culture that own them. In the geopolitical turmoil that we experience today, there is one question before us, and not only before Muslim people. The fact that the sacred places, the historically sacred places of Islam and of its message, are geographically located in a country which is still under the yoke of an obscurantist monarchy, with, unfortunately, the military assistance of our rulers, whether they are from France or from the United States, a monarchy which has the same criminal code as the so-called Islamic State, a monarchy which is mentioned in each and every report by human rights organizations, such as the one of Amnesty International, which speaks out in defense of this young blogger, Hawif Badawi, who's fighting for his life after having received 100 lashes, 50 lashes, or maybe another 50 lashes, until the 1,000 lashes to which he was sentenced. Inhuman and degrading treatment, says Amnesty, steep rise in executions and death penalties, stifle dissidents, systematic discrimination against women, torture being a common practice in detention, arrest, arbitrary detention, deeply ingrained religious discrimination against the other Muslims, that is to say the Shia minority. These are questions that belong to all of us. I'm not one who says it's the Muslims who should be the first to speak, because I speak the language of the we, not you and us or them and us. No, I speak the language of the we. And this is someone with multiple origins, who is a non-religious, who speaks to you, someone who doesn't have any mistrust vis-à-vis those who travel along the same path of equality, by making clear what their own belief is, proclaiming their taste for transcendence. But these are questions that we should not be afraid of asking. This is what I wanted to tell you. In today's turmoil, we need to stand up for a complex thought, like Edgar Morin says, a thought that holds together the different pieces, that fights against Islamophobia and anti-Semitism, that fights against all sorts of exclusion, discrimination, stigmatization against women, against homosexuals, whatever you think about homosexuality. Because any stigmatization of men, women, children on the grounds of his origin, on the grounds of his identity, his belief, is like inflicting a wound to humanity. Holding the pieces together, holding to this idea of a path that we should be allowed to travel all together. I wish to conclude by telling you where I speak from. I already told you that I am a non-religious person. It's my way of saying that I have no contempt whatever for religions, but I don't believe in any religion. Even though my father was raised in Catholicism, my mother grew up in Protestantism. But I was also greatly influenced by the Caribbean, where I spent my childhood, a place of cross-cultural harmony, of cross-fertilization. I was also shaped by Algeria, where I lived when I was young, where I met an Islam that is open to others, without sectarianism. And I'm also shaped by Judaism because of my wife's migrant family. Judaism born out of persecution suffered by Jews in Europe, and in which Muslims, as we know, had no part during the first half of the 20th century in Poland. And so I speak to you from this multiple identity, and I wish to conclude by defending this multiple identity, because sharing a common cause means that we should be aware that we are all made up of plural identities. I wish to summon authors of the countries of my childhood who witnessed the upheaval brought about by the emancipations of the Third World, by the independencies, by the sovereignties of people. Aimé Césaire, in a wonderful text, Aimé Césaire, this great poet from Martinique, in a text in 1956, spoke against fraternalism, the progressive companion of paternalistic colonialism. Those who think that because they've already traveled the road to emancipation, they know better than other people coming from other countries what is good for them. And this is what Aimé Césaire wrote. Today, the world has reached a stalemate. These lines are from more than 50 years ago, but they still ring true. I quote, "This can only mean one thing, not that there is no way out, but that the time has come to abandon all the old ways which have led to fraud, tyranny and murder." And we all know it, the old ways, talking about the Arab Muslim world, the dictatorship, the obscurantist regimes. And this is the strong signal sent by the people, starting with the people of Tunisia in 2011, with their ideals of freedom, on justice and peace. And we also go through times of counter-revolution in relation to the path that was cleared at that time, starting with Tunisia, and which shook all of the people of the region. And Césaire continues, "Suffice it to say that for our part, we no longer want to remain content with being present while others do politics, while they get nowhere, while they make deals, while they perform makeshift repairs on their conscience and engage in casuistry. Our time has come." End of quote. There is another author who is an echo to Césaire. His name is Frantz Fanon. He was born in Martinique and he embraced the fight of the Free French against Nazis, against fascism, against totalitarianism, and who en route embraced the struggle for independence in Algeria. The universal Frantz Fanon, insofar as known all over the world, because he is the author of The Wretched of the Earth. In his first book, he illustrates the message that I want to convey to you, the message of common causes. He expresses this message from his experience as someone who has been colonized, also as a member of a community who was the victim of slave trade, of the inhumanity of slavery. But what does he say? Well, what he says is that far from being resentful, far from being a prisoner of the memories of slavery of his fathers, like he used to say, this is what he wrote in 1952. I, the man of color, I want only this, that the tool never possessed the man, that the enslavement of man by man cease forever, that is of one by another, that it be possible for me to discover and to love man wherever he may be. Superiority, inferiority, and Fanon asked this question in relation to the idea that nations, people, cultures, civilizations, religions would be superior to others. Why? Why not? He continues. The quite simple attempt to touch the other, to feel the other, to explain the other to myself. Was my freedom not given to me then in order to build the world of the you? My final prayer, concludes Fanon, O my body, make of me always a man who questions. And finally, the last reference I wish to offer to you, because it's also part of the world I come from, is the one of Édouard Glissant and Patrick Chamoiseau. Two other authors, one is still alive, Patrick Chamoiseau. Édouard Glissant has left this world. He was a contemporary of Fanon and Césaire. Two French whistleblowers in 2007, at a time when in France, similarly to the looming thread of totalitarianism, the notion of identity in the singular was paraded through the creation of a ministry for national identity and migration. A whole ministry, like Glissant used to say, a ministry that locked us, a protest against this whole ministry which attempts to house us badly, to get us used to the intolerable, to make us used to living with, in silence, the risk of complicity, the inadmissible, the complete opposite of beauty, said Glissant. Glissant added that the very notion of identity has for a long time served as a barrier, and this is true for everybody, for every culture, for every civilization, for every belief. The identity in the singular, the closed identity, the identity that rejects, a way of calculating what we own, of distinguishing what belongs to the other, built up against an ill-defined menace, the shadow of barbarism. The wall of identity has provoked a long-running conflict between countries, empires and colonialists, the black slave trade, the atrocities of transatlantic slavery, and all the many genocides. This is the fundamental message by Glissant and Chamoiseau, explaining how much the whole dimension of the identity, far from being reassuring, serves the purpose of a racist, xenophobic and populist policy, so much so that it causes dismay. And that, on the contrary, our mission, our duty is to invent a time when the desire for domination, the desire to dictate one's law, to build one's empire, the pleasure to be the strongest, the pride of holding the truth are considered to be one of the most visible signs of barbarism at play in the evenings of humanities. The impending social, political, and economical survivals. A great nation now knows this. A great nation can guess which way the world is going and will choose not to close itself to the world, not to get locked up. This is the message. Édouard Glissant said that the single-root identities are dying identities. They don't have any rhizome or rootlets like those plants growing from the rich soil. He used to say that the only identity is one of relationship, coming from this path, this dialogue, this meeting, this sharing with the other. He added, this exchange is where we change without losing or altering ourselves. This, for me, is the wall. Not one that closes you in, but one that we should build in the face of the dangers threatening us. This togetherness, the we of the common causes of equality, the we of the true pathways towards secularization, where we build a common world in the diversity of our beliefs, our communities, our intellectual choices, our personal pathways. Frantz Fanon summed it up in one word, a word that is essential and which by itself is a program that we can and we should all subscribe to in the diversity, once again, of our sensitivities. No attempt must be made to encase man, for it is his destiny to be set free. This is the path I offer you and that I want to fight for.